ATLAS COPCO Multistage Centrifugal Compressors use integral gear technology, the industry's most compact and efficient turbocompressor design. Our integrally geared compressors are reliable, energy efficient, and specifically optimized to your process requirements. Integrally geared compressors deliver multiple speed capability by placing rotors on separate pinions. Each compression stage runs at the optimum speed for high efficiency. Compressor bearings and gears are lubricated by the main lube oil pump, which is driven through the bull gear for reliable oil flow. The compression process begins with gas entering through adjustable inlet guide vanes, or IGVs, which are standard on all ATLAS COPCO compressors. IGVs control how much flow is sent into the machine, providing accurate process control. With IGVs, compressor efficiency can be increased by around 9% versus other inlet assemblies. Our impellers, available in open or closed configurations, impart kinetic energy to the gas. This is turned into pressure in the diffuser and then the volute. Gas temperature rises during the compression process. To improve compression efficiency, interstage cooling can be easily accommodated between any of the compressor stages. ATLAS COPCO offers a range of intercoolers that are precisely matched to process requirements and meet all relevant international standards. In the configuration shown, water coolers are available in either water in the shell, gas in the tube, or gas in the shell, water in the tube designs. High-speed rotors are supported by radial tilting pad bearings that eliminate virtually all vibration while providing superior rotor stability and smooth rotation. Depending on the application, this can be a combination of radial and thrust bearings. The bull gear shaft rotates on multi-lobe sleeve bearings. Compressor sealing options may include dry gas seals, floating carbon ring seals, and labyrinth seals in various combinations and arrangements. Our range of integrally geared compressors is used in a variety of industries, and our compressors can be customized for a specific process. As the name suggests, all compressor stages of integrally geared compressors are mounted on one gearbox. Thanks to their rotor and aerodynamic design, along with intercooling capability, integrally geared compressors are more efficient than other rotary compressors. To enhance performance, a number of other features are available, such as variable diffuser guide vanes, or DGVs, which can be added to complement impeller aerodynamics. Adjustable DGVs enable larger turndown, which ultimately results in wider process control without impairing efficiency, an ideal mix that is increasingly required by process designers. Both variable inlet and diffuser guide vanes provide stable compressor operation over a wide range of conditions at a constant discharge pressure. To control gas temperatures during compression, in situations where cooling water is not easily accessible, an air-cooled version of our compressor is available. For applications where process gas leakage is restricted, or when process gas needs to remain within the system, our integrally geared compressors can be built with dynamic dry gas seals. These seals can be supplied in single, double, or tandem arrangements, depending on the application. In fact, ATLAS COPCO was the first compressor manufacturer to implement dry gas seals on integrally geared compressors, packing efficiency, high machine availability, and superb process control onto a small footprint